You guys, look at this girl. Look at her. What are you doing, young miss? What are you doing standing right there? Huh? What are you doing? Tell her take that thing from Sarah. Take your time. Take it off her hand. Take your time. Don't let you fall. Very good. Hi. Hello, big girl. Hello. And last morning to the faves. Sorry, it's like this crazy boy. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. Get out of my face, boy. Yes, Dad?
Next activity.
Okay, carry the book. Come, let me see it. Hi, babes. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Yes, sir.
It says letter that start.
Right. You guys, good morning. It's bright and early Sunday morning. It's bright and early in the morning, and I am up because I decided that I am going to cook Jamaican dinner for Sunday dinner.
Yes. I love Jamaican dinner.
I'm gonna cook curry goat and rice and peas
I love
and
that.
vegetable.
And kalaloo.
You want kalaloo?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. That's coming up.
That.
Anyway, let me start the vlog and then I talk to you. I'm up and about to put the peas on and the goat on and get things going even before I figure out what's going to go for breakfast. Baby's still in bed getting some extra rest this morning, so I'm up with the kiddos. I'm up with the kiddos trying to navigate through the morning and see how the day is gonna go. So hopefully you guys are having a blessed day, a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Love you guys. If it's the first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe right now and give this video a thumbs up right now. What else? Whatever else we have planned, of course you guys will see throughout the rest of today's vlog, so catch up and keep watching. I am going to head on over to the kitchen and carry you guys along with me as I cook while my girl is over there calling and my boy is here wanting to do activity in his book. So multitasking mama, yes. So I got my peas on, and while the peas cooking I'm gonna brown the mutton. You guys hear Sarah down there? She's calling. So here goes my goat that I have seasoned from last week. I'm gonna throw it in. Look at this girl. Hey. Hey yo. You're calling? She's still standing there. You're calling, mama? Huh? kitchen work up. And I do it.
Can you guess what's ahead? Let's take a closer look. It's physical effect. It is the fourth planet. It comes right after ours. Do you know what it's called? Its name is Mars.
Oh, yummy. Look at their stomach. Oh, yummy. Baby's up and I sent him straight on his mission to work out. But today we capitalize on the weekend workout because that's when we're home. Because in the week you don't know which day we have to skip and stuff like that. So let's go check on my man Ronnie. With this one want to sleep. Ray Goody! Ray Goody! It's my turn to join in. Sarah just fell asleep for a small nap. Pot's still bubbling and I'm going to jump in and catch babe real quick before Sarah wake up, and I'm going to cook while I'm working out. Multitasking mama. That's how we do it around here to get everything done. No excuses. Do you? And my boy's down there reading. Look at him. We managed to get our workout in. Babe get the best of it though. But I do realize that when babies work out, because I'm monitoring baby, it's hard for me to work out at my full potential and get my beast mode out. So I think as of today I won't work out with babe. I'll monitor him and then work out alone. I'm in the kitchen right now. Baby's feeding Sarah. Tyler is having lunch. And I'm finishing up cooking so babe can get something to eat. Yes, Ty?
I can't simply end up eating because
What's it, honey?
Papa kid.
Finally finished cooking and got fresh. Let me show you guys before I dig into the pot what I cooked today. So I made rice and peas, and I made 2 pots for Sarah. This one have potato, Irish potatoes, zucchini, and green beans. This will be her dinner. And this one have pumpkin, broccoli, carrot, and fish. This will be her lunch. So these are a few days dinner and lunch. And then over here in the bad boy, in the dutchie, you have curry goat. And then over here for the rabbits, just kidding, my turn babe, you have salad. Yes, so that's everything that I cooked today. And I'm sure somebody is hungry because we didn't have breakfast. No? Somebody's hungry because we didn't have breakfast. Look at him, Wanga belly. Anyway, you guys, I am going to eat right now. Brunch, lunch, dinner. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner in one. And there goes plate of champions. Work hard and eat harder. There goes the Sunday dinner, girl. You ready? Look at him like some poor thing. You ready? Food in my belly. Just finished blending Sarah's food. This is the one with the fish in it, and this is just veggies and potato. So lunch, dinner, just to give you guys an idea of how I stored it for a few days. So she'll have these for a few days, so I will have to make food for her every day. Done. Outside in the garden, I don't know if you guys can see us. We're gonna play this French game that I bought for Babe Christmas that he always wanted. So we're outside in the garden because the weather is not too bad. It's a little bit chilly, but it feels good outside. Look at Princess. She's enjoying the sun.
D'accord? Allez, viens. Maman,
Princess.
Okay. Alors, papa, il va te mettre la boule. Behind the line, okay? From behind the line. It's kind of heavy. So you're going to have to fold it. You fold it
Throw it like this.
here, okay?
Oh, to
No.
Papa, not up in the ear.
Right,
No.
pay
Oh, to
attention.
Papa.
You fold it around here.
Oh,
Comme
to
ça.
Papa, look.
Comme ça.
Like that.
Droit.
That.
Allez. Allez,
Boom.
fais-le.
It's far.
Yeah.
To the little ball.
Closer
To the little. Look at the little ball.
Okay,
Look at the ball.
Ah, this better.
Mama
Mama turn. Mama come here. Right.
Everybody close.
No, look. The who is the closest one?
Who is the
Mama.
closest?
So for now is Mama who have the point. Then the second place is for
Your turn.
Allez, concentre-toi. Concentre-toi et envoie la boule.
Go for the ball.
Okay, that's okay. That's Papa's turn now. One ball is better before than after. Okay? Okay, so Mama got the point, so it's your turn, okay? You have to
Be careful, Mama.
You be careful. Don't throw your ball too hard.
Take your time and it's not the harder one, it's the closer one.
It's not bad,
That's
guys.
good.
Very
Okay,
good.
try then.
Out here playing, and I just see the sunset. I wanted to show you guys, see if you guys can see it. Let me see. Look at that. The sunset, and the sunset is coming, and we have one more game to play. This game will decide the champion. So let's see who's gonna be the champion of today. Ready?
Alright, the same one with more power. The same one with more power.
Well, it's your turn, losing team. Right, Sarah? We are the winning team. This match is close. It's 2 points to decide who's gonna win. All right, you're on. You always hitting my ball. I hit you. No, baby's the closest. Oh my God! Come.
I can stick with me. The last one that the one that win to play.
That's bad, Tyler. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Come on.
Yeah.
Closer.
Yes, I am. I've done. Oh, you have another one?
A little bit close.
Okay, Mama, I have another one.
Not somebody.
The good thing is she put it out of the way for me to win. Alright, I have the 13, otherwise we're gonna have to play another one.
Go. Because you're at 12 right now. Okay, go. The aim is to go closest to the small little ball in the middle. Nah.
Back.
12.
So guys, that's 13 points here. But babe still have 2 points, 2 ball. Pella, go on the side. She still have 2 ball trying to get closer. This one is gone. Last chance.
One time.
Whee!
So, Papa, who win?
You want to give me an interview? A losing interview? You're like in tennis, you go straight into your locker room. Choo!
Papa,
Yes.